Welcome, guys, to the airplane story. That's what we're wondering. What is the airplane story? Well, I'll tell you in the airplane. Okay. So, guys, airplane story is like being in the airplane, but like bad things happen. Okay, this airplane story is like in an airplane, but bad things happen. It's really happening to us now. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome to airport flight 5643. We are complimentary flying at okay, so let's go work passengers, senior seats and can you welcome. Okay. Feel free to explore the airplane. Explore the airplane. Explore the airplane. Yep. Whoa. Got the airplane. Now, please, you try me in your seats. Okay, I gotta stay on my seat. I got my seat. Yep. Whoa, shaking. Hold on, I'm gonna go. Oh, this is good. Sweet. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is really well. I hope you did. Do this. A pound sheep. Don't do ever. You just did all that, okay? I just. Oh my. You guys, do you just know about that? Okay. Plug it in. Do some poo. Come on. Okay. Go. Plug it in. What the way to know? You guys been raining? I hope. No. Oh, did. Now? Okay, now it's running. Okay. I'm just here to show my camera's going, guys. Bye. Okay. I'm trying to go into the top. Actually, it's no fun. Yeah, actually going to the top. It's no fun. Kinda. I was going to butt up. Kinda. Okay. Good night, passengers. I wasted 3 minutes already. I just already wasted 3 minutes. Whoa, what the hell? What happened? It seems that. Yep, we should. Guys, look at what is that on red. ... What? What are you doing? Oh my God! What is that? You will survive. Are those snakes? Oh, they're snakes! Oh my God! I lost some health. Oh my God, guys, here there's an open passion. Okay, I'm gonna go in there. Why did? Oh my God! It's so clogged. Why? Oh my gosh! Why be so clogged? It's so clogged. Oh my God! That was scary. We should don't get out of here. And we did so ready. Hold on, it costs Robux. No, that costs Robux. Not the song. My eyes. What happened? I always have to do my challenge though. Power is back up. Power's back up, and the snakes are gone. Thank God. The power on the wall is also gone. Crazy. Yeah, crazy. Like I said, I see you, everyone. Okay, you better. Yeah, shut up. Trouble me. I know what you do. The good news is the power is back on. The bad news is that we are Wangi news. Yeah. Get it all. Don't wake up, my mask is gone. Oh no! Somebody died. What? It's good work. This max will keep you not safe. Look, I'm assist. The worries take me for. Whoa! What happened? Oh my head! Oh my god! What do you mean? What is that on my this? Oh my god! It looks like a bomb. Oh no! What are we gonna do? I don't know. Just curious. Okay, everyone. Can't down. If we found something sharp and I have to cut it. Why do I find something sharp? Let's go. I found it. What should we do? Shut up. I will cut this bookcase. Oh, he ripped. He did it. Alright. He made it. He didn't make it. I thought you got spoiled. He had it. Yep. I'm kind of wanting to spoiled. I found them. They are skills views. We need to. Yeah. I killed them. Okay. What? It what? Something is happening inside the captain's room. I found it. Don't need a code of This. Oh my god. I warned you. That's not possible. The pirate is flying. What are we going to do? I don't know. Oh my god. A button. Okay. To stop the pirate button. Yeah, we should click everything. I found it. Yeah, you found it. Yeah, we saved. It's been crazy. Yep. Yes, we are. Okay. Hold on. Alright. We're fine. Okay, everyone. We got this. I got this right. Oh, wow. It's the demon again! Oh, no. I guess it's back. Oh, no. I think it will escape. This is going to crash. No, I don't want us to crash. Oh, it's going to crash. Oh, no. I got 10 seconds. Yeah, you're not doing it. Yep, you're not. Oh, my God. No. You're so weak. What happens? This is not the last time you see me. Oh no! It's gone? Yep, it's gone. Wait. He said he was gotta. Oh no. Wait, he's got peel again? You can peel him like it's another time. Hold on. It's got peel another time. Wait, the screen is turning blue. Wait, the screen. Airplane. The screen's going blue. It says airplane victory. Victory airplane. And the background just turned blue. Or airplane story. That's it.